Hi and welcome back, my name is Emily. In this video today we're gonna create one card, an A2 sized one, using the new U-Rock die set from Trinity Stamps. There has been previous released stamp set, or this stamp set has previously been released, but the dies are new, so I wanted to use them because I just love that font on the U-Rock. So here I started out by taking some watercolor paper and using a watercolor palette from Altenew. And this is my daughter, she's helping me. You can see she took the pink marker and just going around this panel. And you can see how easy this is to create. So I will take over here in a second when she got tired of doing this. And I will continue to fill in all the white space here on the panel. And we're gonna use these two, the green and the pink and orange piece here, for die cutting our florals. And these florals comes from the floral frame. This is a Slimline Slimline die set that was released last summer, and I have used that in many previous videos, and I just love that one. And I, for this one, just took the florals and cut them out from the bits I liked from the watercolor panels that we created. So I used a really good black ink from Make a Forte and stamped out my image there. That's gonna be the focal point on this. And then I decided I wanted a really bright and vibrant background for my focal point, or for my images here. So I took the same colors and went ahead and just swiped across my panel here, and I just spritz some more water to get some more movement, and then I went back and forward until I had covered my panel here. And then I cut it out with this Coverplate die from Trinity Stamps. You can see this pattern that it gives, and I just love how that turned out. And here you can see I just took an image with my phone, so I have something to reference back to when we are assembling this card. And I saw a video previously with Tim Holtz where he used the stylist tools, and I digged into my stash and found old stylish tool from C6, and I just wanted to try this technique and see if I can do something with it and see if I could like this one. And I found out I really like doing this. It's been so long since I did something like this, and it was super easy and went really fast. I took some more ink just to the edges of all of my images just to make them pop a little bit more, and then I was done. So if you want to see that video that inspired me to bring out these tools, you can search for Tim Holtz, or I can list it down below, but you will probably find it. So here I'm just laying everything out again, and I will look at my phone just to make sure that I have everything in the right space, so I can adhere this down. Actually I didn't do it exactly the same way as I had planned out, but it worked out anyway. You can see I angled those tapes a little bit differently, and I raised some of them up, and you can see here I will just start to arrange everything now. And I wanted some of the florals here, or the bits and pieces here, to be on top and some behind, just to bring some more dimension to everything. So when I was happy with that, I adhered everything down, and then I start working on the sentiment. So I cut this U-Rock out a couple of times from black cardstock, as well as the front one. This one will be in black glitter cardstock, and I raised it up so it had some dimension with those pieces behind, and I just used some liquid glue to do that, and I also adhered that with some liquid glue. And we are soon to be finished here. I just took some of these notes and adhere them down as well to this panel, and that finished off this card. I hope you liked it. If you did, please give it a thumb up and subscribe to the channel. It really helps us out a lot. So I hope you really liked it, and have a great day. Until next time, bye!